hello, what is up guys? Welcome back to a vlog. So I decided that, actually I literally just decided that I'm going to start vlogging throughout my week and just combine it into one vlog, because if you guys don't know, I do work a 9-to-5 job, so vlogging during that would be very boring and repetitive. So we're gonna skip all that nonsense and just vlog what I do in the rest of the week. So that can be after work or on the weekends. So if you're excited, give it a thumbs up. I know you're excited. But I decided I'd start today. Today is a Tuesday, I believe. Yesterday though, I did go to Target and Home Goods, which I didn't vlog because I'm starting this today. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Target and Home Goods haul, oh yeah! First up, I got those coasters. They came in as 4-packs, so that's pretty cool. I got my water chilling on there. I also got this candle. It doesn't smell that great, but it matches my room. I also got that candle, which smells better, and that plant, which is fake. And I moved that over here because it looks cute next to that. Here's another one of the coasters, and here is a notebook I also got. Here's Lucy. I didn't just get her, but there she is. Here's Luna. I also didn't just get him, but I did just get him a new collar. Isn't it cute? Oh, don't look at my address. Amongst all this mess, I also got this basket, which will be filled with blankets, but right now just kind of looks stupid. I also got 2 pillows, which are the back ones, the dark gray ones, and I also got sheets, which are that color, from Urban Outfitters, but I got the pillows and then the sheets from Urban Outfitters. And lastly, I got a planner because it's time to plan my life. So that is what I got yesterday. Fun, I know. But now it's time to clean this room because I started yesterday and then got sidetracked by organizing something, which, you know, if you've ever organized something while cleaning, it just makes your room like 10 times messier. So now it is cleaning time. What a great way to start off vlogging again, by cleaning, because like, I mean, who doesn't like cleaning montages, right? No one, Lauren. Hi, it's me again, obviously, but I just spent the past like a real 15 minutes looking for my computer because I also need to start editing some new like slides and presets and templates and stuff for YouTube. So I spent 15 minutes trying to find this computer because I used it last night and I was like, it couldn't have just like disappeared on me. And then my brilliant mind remembered, last night I decided to put it in between my pillows because I didn't want to get out of bed and I was already comfortable and all the cats were around me. So I just put it in between some pillows so that would be safe. But obviously I didn't remember I did that, so I just spent 15 minutes looking for it. Way to go, Lauren. That was really smart of me, Luna, wasn't it? Oh, at least you still love me. But first, we need to put the front top of my car back on. Hey, I got a new car, by the way, if you didn't know. I got a Jeep Wrangler, basic. But yeah, basically I just need to put this little piece back on. Also, if this gets foggy at all, I'm sorry, it's super hot out compared to inside my house. It's actually really easy. All you have to do is flip this over and you're done. No, I'm just kidding. Gotta fix this little guy. And then all you gotta do is put these in. It's actually kind of hard to do while filming. Ow. Ow, almost broke my nail. Okay, I'm not filming this, guys. And the top is on, and my nail is still on. Yeah. About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. So, you can't clean on an empty stomach, so I just filled up my stomach and I am turning on a movie. My new thing recently has been to put on Amazon Prime movies while I'm cleaning or while I'm doing anything. Particularly scary movies, and particularly ones that are really dumb and stupid, but excuse me, I'm still a little sick, but particularly ones that are kind of stupid because I've seen all the really good ones because scary movies are my favorite if you didn't know. So we're gonna try to find one that's not too stupid, and then we're gonna start to clean and organize a little bit. When I attempted to clean yesterday, this was the only drawer that like I actually got organized and cleaned because I started like organizing instead. So this drawer originally was just like a huge mess, so I went ahead and like put this thing in it and organized it, and then my vlog camera goes there. Also, fun fact, I just got a new hard drive because I lost my other one and it had all my stuff on it, so that's great. But now we got a new one that matches my aesthetic. Found a movie, so now it's time to clean up this pile first.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real.
Done cleaning for now, but now it is time to hop on the computer to start doing some social media and YouTube and room stuff. I need to find a new picture of the bed that I want to have built, because if you guys know, if you've ever looked at beds, beds are expensive, so I know some handy people in my life, so I'm gonna try to make recruit one of them to build me a bed. So I gotta do that, and I'm gonna start making some stuff for YouTube. So yeah. So I've just been working on different like templates, I guess, for YouTube. So I have just different colors and whatnot all lined up just to get like a theme going, I guess. And then I made my end slide. I was gonna make it like have the social name there, but my Snapchat is stupidly different than everything else, and so it makes it look stupid, so I don't know. I'll have something earlier in videos that says like the actual social. So that's just gonna be what the end slide looks like, and then I'll have like my newest video. I don't know really, but that's what it looks like so far. I'm choking. I also made a new intro a couple days ago, so that I moved over to this computer because I'm gonna try to do all my editing on my big computer. It's just so much easier if I do it on one computer, and if I'm actually just like sitting down with a mouse and a keyboard, so much easier. But I live in the basement now, if you guys didn't know, so it's absolutely frigid down here. It's like an igloo, so I just put on my Tanacon sweatshirt, and I'm just pretty much gonna be editing, I think, the rest of the night and working on this sort of stuff. So nothing too entertaining, so I will see you guys tomorrow.